Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to reset tools and workspace in Photoshop. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If your toolbar is missing or out of place, for example, the toolbar on the left, I will drag it to the middle and delete it, then show you how to bring it back. Tap on Window, go to Workspace and reset the workspace. If you made changes to the toolbar and you don't like the way the default one looks and you want to restore your old preferences, then go up to Edit. Scroll down to Toolbar. Load Preset. Make sure to save any changes you make to your toolbar so you can restore it if you accidentally deleted the toolbar. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.